Trump crypto company, American Bitcoin just debuted on Nasdaq. But is the real trump card Bitcoin hyper? Let's break it all down. Quick disclaimer before we start, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. American Bitcoin, ticker symbol ABTC, has officially begun trading on Nasdaq. The company was co-founded by Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. and formed through an all-stock merger with Griffin Digital Mining, giving it instant access to U.S. capital markets. The majority shareholder here is Hut 8, which controls about 80% of the entity, while the Trump brothers hold a meaningful stake. Other heavyweight backers include the Winklevoss twins' Gemini exchange, which is itself rumored to be exploring a 3on17M IPO. Eric Trump, who now serves as Chief Strategy Officer, called the listing a historic milestone for bringing Bitcoin into the core of U.S. capital markets. The company's strategy? A hybrid model that combines self-mining with direct Bitcoin purchases for its treasury, very similar to what MicroStrategy has done over the years. Hut 8 will lease out data centers to ABTC, allowing rapid scaling. The firm has also teased possible global expansions beyond U.S. borders. But here's where things get interesting. This Nasdaq debut is part of a much bigger Trump family crypto empire. In just the past year, we've seen the USD1 stablecoin launch through World Liberty Financial, the governance token WLFI listed on exchanges, and even meme coin promotions tied directly to Trump's political persona. Reports suggest the family's combined crypto holdings are worth billions on paper. Of course, this hasn't escaped criticism. Democrats are raising conflict of interest concerns given that the Trump administration continues to push pro-crypto legislation. The White House has brushed this off, while industry advocates argue it shows Bitcoin's true arrival into mainstream U.S. finance. Still, the optics are powerful. The sons of a sitting U.S. president now control one of the few Bitcoin miners on Nasdaq, right as Bitcoin itself hovers near all-time highs. But while Wall Street loads up on mining and treasury plays, some analysts believe the real asymmetric opportunity isn't in the Nasdaq listing, it's in Bitcoin hyper. Here's why. Hyper is building what it calls the canonical bridge, which locks Bitcoin on layer 1 but then deploys wrapped assets through the Solana virtual machine. That means Bitcoin can suddenly operate at Solana-level speeds, with DeFi composability and near-instant smart contract execution, all secured by Bitcoin's base chain. And the pre-sale numbers are already telling the story. Over $13.7 million raised, with whales piling in. Many are calling it the closest thing to Bitcoin's early days that investors will ever see again. So here's the big picture. American Bitcoin is about institutions stockpiling BTC for balance sheet power. Bitcoin hyper is about putting BTC to work in real economies. Wall Street has Trump's Bitcoin, but the ground floor might just belong to hyper. What's your take? Is ABTC a political Trojan horse for crypto, or will projects like Hyper capture the true upside? Let us know in the comments. And if you're serious about crypto in 2025, you need a secure, flexible, and feature-packed wallet. Best Wallet is our top choice. Non-custodial, no KYC, and built for both presale hunters and long-term holders. Check it out in the description. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next update.